Sudan, an ancient country that transcends time, is home to a diverse range of cultures and ethnicities, and the Nile River serves as both a vital resource and an important part of the Sudanese cultural heritage. However, despite its wealth of diversity and resources, this country is currently facing a challenge that will be difficult to overcome unless global efforts are coordinated. After more than a year of war, over 25 million people, or more than half of Sudan's population, are suffering from acute hunger. Sudan's displaced population is now estimated to be more than 10 million. Displacement is more than simply moving from one location to another. It involves uprooting from the Earth's roots. The displaced carry their broken dreams in tattered bags, as if dying slowly. Think about the plight of this child who has lost his family and home. How does he view the world? What are his dreams and hopes? Or, how does this farmer deal with the loss of his land and crops? What about the doctor in the refugee camps? Can he help everyone? Sudan's humanitarian response funding requirement in 2024 is approximately $2.7 billion. However, only 48.7% of this requirement has been funded so far. The United States alone provided more than half of the funding raised, followed by the European Commission as the largest funding source. Then the United Kingdom, the World Bank, and finally, the United Arab Emirates, the only Arab country among the top 5 funding sources for the Sudan Humanitarian Response Plan. The UAE funds response plans for many countries around the world that are experiencing acute crises. This year, the Palestinian territories received most funding, followed by Sudan. Approximately half of the funding is allocated to food security plans, followed by emergency shelters. There is a reason why food security and shelter are the most prominent sectors that receive funding. Amid disasters and crises, humans transform into mere creatures in search of the most necessities of life. When people lack food and shelter, they lose hope and become frustrated. Providing these basic needs is more than just a humanitarian act. It is a moral obligation for all of us. Today's Sudan crisis tests the international community's dream of common humanity. Will Sudan's Nile bear witness to this shared humanity, as it has to all of the challenges that these ancient people have faced over the centuries?